Hi guys, Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so very much for stopping by. So guys, today I'm bringing to you a remote work from home job opportunity, and this will be in the tech field with Apination. If you're not familiar with Apination, I'll go ahead and leave a description of the company in the description bar below. Okay, let's jump right into it. Now, they're currently hiring for customer success representative. As you can see, it's in the US and it's remote. If you go ahead and click on that, it's going to take you to the job posting. So, Apination is a fast growing software integration company at the heart of which lies our integration platform as a service. So, they're telling you what they're all about. The customer success representative is a customer facing role. In this role, you will be working closely with customers in the residential real estate industry. Okay, you will be helping them automate their manual work, connect their software applications, and configure integrations. Now, about this role, guys. Now, your day to day activity will include things like helping or their newest customers get the best experience possible by live chat, email, and or phone with their account integration and go over post purchase support, troubleshoot clients' problems and answer their questions, typically send 30 to 50 emails and make 5 to 10 phone calls per day. You're going to be documenting the support issues you uncovered, resolved, and turn them into support articles to be published so future clients can help themselves. You're going to document key data to identify trends and help evolve internal metrics to set new customer experience standards. Now, about you, right? You love troubleshooting and solving software, technical problems. You're skilled in technical customer support and have experience working with software integrations, APIs, and or troubleshooting APIs. You're an effective communicator in English with strong writing, speaking, proceeding, and listening skills which you adapt to suit different audiences. You're empathetic and make customers feel empowered after interacting with you. You love to design processes and write them out to reduce future errors, and you want to work in a software startup. And typically with startup guys, you do have the opportunity to grow within the company. So this is a great opportunity to go ahead and get your feet wet in the tech world. Okay. So they're saying that these are some of the things that would be nice if you have them. Experience with CRM, which is customer relationship management softwares, marketing automation, back office management, accounting, and finance software applications, experience in the residential real estate industry. Now, you're going to want to use some power words in your job application. You definitely want to put that you have this, especially if you've worked in customer care or technical support roles before, or you've used any software that helps to manage client, database, or log interaction with customers. Those are customer relationship management softwares, okay? So definitely put that on there. Now, if you want to inquire about the opportunity, they're saying that you should go right here, contact this information, send an email to that email address right there, okay? And here's telling you that it's an equal opportunity. Now, in order to apply for this job, you're going to send an email here. Ensure that you attach your resume, make it professional. Because when I tested it earlier, when you click apply for a job, it's going to tell you again that you should send the email. Okay? So you're going to email your details. So this email address right here, and then you'll be able to apply. Thank you so very much for watching, guys. Let me know if you like content like these, remote work from home. If you need hybrid positions, let me know. Or if you want me to also post content relating to 100% in office roles, let me know as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you get the job. If you do, definitely come back here and let everyone know in the comments. All the best. God bless. Peace.